Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete items from Google Collection. So it is very easy. First thing, you need to open Google application. After that you will see this page, and in the bottom right you will see the button activity. You click on that, then you scroll down, you will find yourself in this page, and here you will see something says saved items. You just click on that arrow and then you will see your collections. Here you can choose the collection that you want to delete, for example save it for later. You click on that, and here as you can see you will find the items in that collection. You just click on the three dots and you will see the option remove. You click on that and that's it. Also there is another way. You go back, for example you choose another collection like here, then you will see the three dots. You click on that, you click select. After that you select the item that you want to delete, for example this one, and here on the top right you will see the button delete. You click on that, then you confirm by clicking on remove. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.